Welcome to the Crypto Skill. If you're into crypto, you've probably heard about decentralized exchanges, DEXs. But which one is the best? Today, we'll break down what a DEX is, how it works, and the top DEX platforms in the market. By the end of this video, you'll know what a decentralized exchange is, how it compares to centralized exchanges, the best DEX platforms available today, the pros and cons of trading on a DEX. Let's dive in. What is a decentralized exchange? DEX. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, is a platform that allows crypto traders to buy and sell assets directly with each other, without relying on a central authority. Unlike centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase, DEXs enable users to trade from their wallets without an intermediary. Using a DEX means there are no identity verification requirements, giving traders more privacy and security. It also ensures full control over funds, as assets are never held by a third party. Transactions are facilitated through smart contracts, ensuring direct peer-to-peer trading on the blockchain. How DEXs compare to centralized exchanges? CEXs. Centralized exchanges are popular for their ease of use, fast transaction speeds, and customer support. However, they require users to verify their identity and store their funds within the platform, which poses security risks if the exchange gets hacked. In contrast, decentralized exchanges offer better security and privacy since users retain control of their assets. However, DEXs can have slower transactions and higher fees due to blockchain processing. While centralized exchanges provide more liquidity and ease of access, DEXs empower users with financial freedom and decentralization. Top decentralized exchanges. Some of the best decentralized exchanges available today include Uniswap, a widely used Ethereum-based DEX that supports ERC-20 tokens and operates through an automated market maker (AMM) model. PancakeSwap, a Binance Smart Chain DEX known for its low fees and fast transactions. It supports BEP-20 tokens and offers features like yield farming and staking. dYdX, a decentralized exchange that provides advanced trading options, including perpetual contracts and margin trading, with lower fees compared to centralized futures trading platforms. Curve Finance, a DEX specializing in stablecoin trading, designed to offer low slippage and high efficiency for users looking to swap stable assets. GMX, a decentralized perpetual exchange that allows leverage trading and supports assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Each of these exchanges has unique advantages, and the best choice depends on individual trading preferences and needs. Pros and cons of using a DEX. Using a decentralized exchange offers several benefits. Users maintain full control over their funds, avoiding risks associated with centralized platforms. There are no intermediaries, making transactions entirely peer-to-peer, and greater privacy is maintained since most DEXs do not require KYC verification. However, there are also some challenges. Transactions on DEXs can be slower compared to centralized exchanges due to blockchain confirmation times. Some DEXs may also have higher fees depending on the network congestion. Additionally, liquidity can be lower than on centralized platforms, making it harder to execute large trades without price fluctuations. Final thoughts. Decentralized exchanges provide traders with more control, privacy, and security. If you prefer trading without identity verification and want full custody of your crypto, a DEX is a great choice. Which DEX do you think is the best? Let us know in the comments.